The only condo holding a Metro Santa Rosa address and is sandwiched by the big universities such as UST, UE, and of course, the Medical City South Luzon and the SM Neo Verde and Ayala Malls New Valley. Welcome, and I'm very proud to present Zadia by Greenfield City. Good morning here in Metro Santa Rosa, and we are here in the best-selling and the most accessible condo project here in the area, Zadia by Greenfield City. At my back, nakita nyo guys, no, I'm very proud to share that this is already the development of the clubhouse or the main amenity of this project. And as you can see right now, ipapakita rin namin mamaya or ngayon yung top view niya kung ano yung nakikita niyo sa presentation material, sa render. Ganito po yung nangyayari ngayon. Of course, at this side, this is the Tower 2 at yung mga nakabili sa akin sa Tower 3, ito na po yun, yung nasa likod nitong clubhouse. This is already the Tower 3 and they are actively turning over yung mga nasa low to mid floors po na mga nakapag-invest na sa Tower 3. And ipakita ko lang sa inyo yung update. Of course, nakakarinig tayo ngayon, under construction po, but they are very alive and kicking dahil I'm very proud na ito na po yung development sa Tower 4. Maybe, bakit nga ba dito ako nag-invest? Alam nyo, no, dahil nakapag-vlog ako na I bought a unit here because as I observed, as we enter 2026, na compare ko siya sa ibang mga projects from other developers, they're very on time po, no, sa pag-deliver at sa pagsabi kung kailan po matatapos yung kanilang tower. And it's very important when we're buying a condo. Sa ngayon, ang intention kung bakit tayo magbi-video sa Zadia is not just makapagbigay tayo ng updates ano bang nangyayari sa loob, but to really highlight on why this is really the most accessible and bakit kapag gusto nyong bumili ng condo, may it be tirhan nyo siya kapag nandito kayo sa Pilipinas, hindi na kayo mag-hotel, or iparent nyo ito, lahat po ng nasa major triangle, which is the school, educational institution, commercial, the malls, especially SM Neo Verde and Ayala Greenbelt or Ayala Malls New Valley, and of course, the hospital and the SLEX exit going to Manila and North Luzon. Lahat po yan sandwich kay Zadia. So lahat yan, i-discuss natin para makapag-isip kayo, wow, this is really the best-selling condo and we do not know kung magkakaroon pa po ng ganitong project in the future, lalo na commercial area ang nakapalibot sa kanya. And exclusive here in the Property Geek YouTube vlog, nandito na po tayo ngayon. We are standing right now on the clubhouse or the main amenity of Zadia. And nakikita nyo ba guys kung gaano nila pinapaganda itong clubhouse? Actually, we are not in Solen Residences ha. Solen Residences is the lot project where ganito po yung clubhouse nila, and at the same time, yun yung pinaka-favorite pa rin namin on my 7th year na ha sa real estate ng clubhouse or amenity. And ngayon, ginagawa nila ito dito kay Zadia. Nakita nyo naman na kung ano po yung nakikita nyo sa render, ganito po siya. So ikot ko kayo, ito yung Tower 2 and then ito yung Tower 4. Sa likod po nito, ito parang medyo nakikita natin yung building eh. Medyo kita po yung edge ng Tower 3. Ito yung Tower 3. So ngayon, nakikita nyo sa render, pa-diamond po talaga siya, or makikita nyo sa top view ng drone natin, naka-diamond or nakapalibot talaga yung Towers 2 to 4. And ito, yung nakikita yung crane. Itong pinakamalapit na crane, Tower 4 to. Pero yun, yung nasa Museum for Architecture and Residences, guys, paulit-ulit ko itong sinasabi. this would be a luxury art gallery with its own onsen residential unit sa mga floors niya. So kita nyo, napakalapit niya kay Zadia. Hahatakin po talaga nito yung market value ni Zadia. So ngayon na as low as nasa 17 to 18,000 pesos per month kapag nakakuha ka ng studio unit sa Tower 4, i-take nyo na po yung opportunity. So ngayon, umpisahan natin, again, Museum for Architecture and Residences. This would be one of the major landmarks here in the area. And I want to highlight this, bagong-bago pa po, no? PWD friendly po, even if elevated po yung clubhouse natin kasi 2 levels siya para mas ma-maximize yung space. Don't worry, kasi meron naman pong ganito na, of course, if you are coming na relative friends na naka-wheelchair, ready naman po sila to accommodate it. So aside from this beautiful pool, lagi itong parang signature to ng mga amenity ni Greenfield. Semicircle yung pool niya, tapos elevated siya. So nagkikreate siya ng parang infinity pool yung design niya. And then sa harap, nandito yung rotonda, and then nandyan na rin yung parking. And ang aliwalas lang niya, so pardon no, dun sa noise kasi ongoing construction talaga, pero we want to take this opportunity para ma-highlight kung ano ba yung features ng clubhouse. Kasi bukod sa sinasabi nila sa render, dinagdagan po nila ng ibang mga amenity. So ito, nakuha nila to, yung design na to, para mga wood cladding ba yung tawag dito. And at the same time, ang ganda talaga ng roofing. So pagpunta natin here, ito yung magiging function room. So ito, pwede kang mag-conduct dito ng birthday, kung ano man yung event, pwede mong i-rent, most especially if you are a homeowner here. So elevated po siya. Sa baba nito, magkakaroon pa rin ng ibang mga amenities. Technically, 2-story or 2 floors po itong clubhouse natin or ating main amenity. And sa labas, nandito yung magiging covered basketball court natin. So ito yung Tower 3. If nakikita niyo yung design. So this is the Tower 3. And at the same time, paglabas natin here, makikita natin, ginagawa na nila, or we also have the kumbaga yung partition already. So magiging mini cafe dito para, of course, if nagsuswim or yung mga guests nyo, no, or as a homeowners, no, meron na kayong mabibilhan ng drinks. At the same time, ito yung magiging reception area. And ito yung magiging access going to the basketball court and going to the Tower 3. So lahat po may easy access going here sa main clubhouse kasi nakabalibot naman po all towers dito sa ating main amenity. And ito yung additional na magiging amenity nila na wala sa render. So ito, yung magiging shower area natin, malapit na rin matapos. Ang target nila is on March of this year. Ito po yung magiging gym, aesthetic gym. Kasi ang diniscuss before, wala nang gym. Kasi very active gusto nila Greenfield City. Kaya maraming running area or yung mga takbuhan no, sa paligid ng Zadia. Pero nagdagdag sila ng gym. Look how big this area will be. So hindi lang natin mapasok talaga kasi ongoing yung construction. Pero magiging aesthetic gym po ito sa March. So yeah, this is gonna be the full-blown clubhouse of Zadia by Greenfield City. And knowing na ganito nila ininvest or ganito sila nag-invest sa clubhouse pa lang, alam nyo in the long run kung paano rin yung magiging future ni Zadia. And knowing the location, napakaganda po ng location dito. At the same time, kung ano yung Solen ngayon na parang bago pa din yung mga old faces nila, nakikita ko po na magiging ganito sa future si Zadia. So ngayon, nakita na natin yung loob, nakita na natin yung update. Punta naman tayo paglabas, gaano nga ba siya kalapit sa Paseo de Santa Rosa, sa hospitals and other schools. Now, mag-road trip tayo from Zadia. Hindi po kasi natin ito nagagawa before. Dinadaan-daanan lang natin yung Zadia para mas ma-appreciate nyo na napakaganda at accessible talaga ng place na to. Ang ganda na ng itsura ng Tower 2 and 3 sa clubhouse. And then ngayon, iikot tayo sa rotonda, mag-e-exit tayo. So nakikita niyo rin yung Museum for Architecture and Residences. And then itong green barricade na to, ito po yung Tower 4. So itong nakikita niyo ngayon, that's the Tower 1. Actually, 45% of the community are just dedicated for open spaces. And this is the gate. It feels like you're not living in a condo, literally, kasi may sarili kayong gate bukod sa mga reception nyo sa bawat tower. And then pag nag-right tayo, ito na po, dire-diretso na yan, papunta yan sa Eton City, SLEX exit, Eton City Square, na pinakamalapit din na commercial area. Actually, ang daming commercial area na nakapanipot kay Zadia at kay University of Santo Tomas at University of the East. So, hindi na po natin siya pupuntahan, magle-left na tayo papunta sa Paseo area, but as you can see sa drone shot, ang lapit niya lang po dito sa schools and SLEX exit. So, isa lang po yan sa SLEX exit na nakapalibot kay Zadia at of course, sobrang big deal na two of the top universities of the Philippines nandito sa may area ni Zadia. Nakikita nyo on this side, ayan po yung pathway. So, pag hindi kayo magdadrive, pwede kayo maglakad tapos tatawid na lang kayo. Ayan, so yung tinatawid po ni ate, no, pupunta siya sa walkway, papunta na po yan dito sa may Paseo area. So kapag hindi naman kayo lumiko dito, pag nagdidire-diretso kayo, papunta na yan sa Vista Mall. So hindi po kayo mawawalan ng routes, hindi kayo mawawalan ng accessibility. Nasa loob po kayo ng business district. So on our left side, makikita nyo, undergoing na yung flow ng land katulad dito sa right side kasi nga po para siyang in a way magiging BGC yung peg niya in the future na katabi nyo lang yung mga nakikita nyo na establishments, mga buildings, which is ganito naman dapat talaga dinedesign ng condo. Pagbaba mo, malapit ka na sa lahat. So bababa lang tayo dito saglit para ma-feature natin kung gaano kaganda yung area at kung paano yung environment kapag naglalakad na tayo. Let's highlight this landmark. We are here inside the Paseo de Santa Rosa area of Greenfield City where it is just really a walking distance. Walkable lang po from Zadia. So yung nakikita nyo na walkway na to, so coming from Zadia, may mga naglalakad po dyan papunta dito. So nandito na yung wet market and as you can see, very visible na yung Museum for Architecture and Residences which is yan na po yung commercial area ni Nuvali. So, si Zadia, actually, kahit hindi siya inside Nuvali, siya pa rin yung condo na may pinakamalapit na location sa Nuvali. Then, punta pa tayo dito. Ito yung nagiging favorite brand, no, ng mga nandito. So, ang lapit-lapit lang din natin kapag nakatira tayo sa Zadia, dito kay Iho Bakery. So, this is Iho Bakery. Na-feature ko na rin to dati. And right now, nandito na tayo sa technically gitna, no, ng Arcadia, Laguna Central, and Paseo, which is the commercial outlets of Greenfield City. Nandun yung Aidas Bacolod Chicken Inasal. Shout out to Miss Say Alonzo. And then, ito yung Skechers. Nandito yung Adidas, mga premium outlet brands. Pag naglakad pa tayo doon, nakikita nyo itong building na to. Itong building na to, this is Paseo Premier Hotel. Literally beside the Medical City South Luzon. So, my brother right now, he's enjoying the place. He got employed po sa the Medical City South Luzon as an ENT nurse. Dito lang po siya, no? Kay Zadia nakatira. So, he's enjoying na nag-work siya dito pero walking distance lang po lahat. So, I'm very thankful din and I'm very excited kasi, you know, I'm not just really selling the area. Nare-reap din namin as a family kung ano yung benefit ng ininvest ko dito sa area and lahat ng mga investors ko at mag-i-invest. Excited na rin ako na ma-feel nyo kung gaano kaganda yung convenience and yung environment dito sa area. So ito namang building na to, natatakpan lang siya ng puno pero meron po kaming ipapakita ng mga videos dan at clips. Vivere Hotel to from Alabang. So ano ba yung ibig sabihin na nilapitan si Zadia ng hotel? So alam nyo na po yung market value appreciation in the future. Ito lang po si Zadia. Walking distance lang din po ang hotel sa Zadia. So you know kung ano yung magiging driver, not just a driver but drivers. Kasi ang dami talaga ng magiging technically ng factors ng pag-appreciate ng value ni Zadia at the same time. And use man, kung magbago kayo ng plan sa future, i-flip nyo, hindi pa rin kayo talo kasi ang ganda ng future ni Zadia in terms of its pricing in the future and of course sa rental na kahit ako na-reap ko na rin yung benefit kasi napaparent ko na rin po yung unit ko ngayon na mas mataas pa yung rental rate ko kaysa sa monthly amortization ko sa tayo. Let's continue our road trip para mas makita nyo pa yung mga landmarks na malapit kay Zadia. So we're back sa ating car. So ito yung tinuturo ko kanina via walking distance lang papunta sa the Medical City South Luzon. May isa pa po ulit na route dyan papunta sa South Luzon Expressway exit tsaka sa Santa Rosa area. Ito yung pinakita natin kanina. Magdadrive lang tayo para mas ma-appreciate nyo kasi papakita ko naman sa inyo kung gaano kalapit si Zadia papunta sa Nuvali, sa SM Neo Verde, at pati na rin sa magiging Greenbelt of the South, which is yun po yung extension ni Ayala Malls Nuvali. But right now, we're still at the commercial area of Greenfield City. Kasi laging ang matunog is Nuvali, like Jaire, meron ka bang property sa Nuvali, pero hindi nila alam may hidden gem, which is si Greenfield City, na Greenfield City lang po actually ang nag-hold talaga ng Metro Santa Rosa, Laguna address sa titulo ng property nyo. So from here sa Greenfield City, liliko lang po tayo, we will just turn left. It's just really like they have an invisible perimeter from each other. So mamaya, pagkalampas natin sa likuan din ng Zadia, pag dinire-diretso na natin, Nuvali na po agad yon. Another development from Ayala Land. So, yan ang maganda dito sa area. Hindi lang isang major developer ang nagpapaganda. Nagtutulong-tulungan sila. Ang nagbe-benefit, yung mga nag-i-invest ng residential property dito. So, as you can see, yung nililikuan ngayon ng car, I don't know if nahagip siya sa camera, itong kanto na to, Zadia na po yan eh. Ito na po yung building niya, as you can see in the area. And then, hindi tayo liliko dyan, of course, kasi pag dito kayo lumabas, pag dinire-diretso nyo, dito ko ipapakita na nasa Nuvali na agad tayo. So, right now, it's 12 p.m. in the afternoon. So, ganito po yung common flow ng traffic on a midday here in the area. On our right, the Vista Mall, which is walking distance lang din po yan sa Zadia. And then, on our left, right now, isa din to sa route papuntang University of Santo Tomas. So, marami silang ginagawa ng mga routes bukod dun sa loob na malapit kay Zadia papuntang UST and UE. And that's it. Itong nasa left na tatakpan lang ng mga puno, nasa Nuvali area na po tayo. That's how near Zadia is in Nuvali. And to be honest, mas malapit pa po talaga ang condo ni Zadia by Greenfield sa kanilang commercial area kaysa po sa condo ni Nuvali, which is si Solara Park Stories na nasa Calamba, Laguna po ang address na. So ngayon, nire-renovate lang po ang ating Lakeside District kasi nga po na-launch ang Metro Nuvali. So imagine the potential of Zadia because of Metro Nuvali, because of Ayala Malls Nuvali, and because of SM Neo Verde. Dire-diretso lang po tayo, but if we turn left, ito na po yung Nuvali proper where Ayala Mall Soledad is, and papunta sa loob, papunta sa residential area ni Nuvali. So, I hope po na-appreciate nyo itong road trip natin kasi gusto ko talaga ma-highlight. Ang ganda po talaga ng Zadia. If nasa condo investment kayo, you can never go wrong, and you will never ever go wrong with condo investment. Kasi andyan na yan eh. It feels like you bought a commercial property. Yun yung nakikita ko talaga dito kay Zadia. So, ito na po si Ayala Malls Nuvali. On our right is Pontevedra. Ito naman is kay Villar Land. So, ito yung former Valenza. Nag-ano lang sila eh, nag-upgrade lang sila. Ginawa nilang Brittany yung Valenza, kaya naging Pontevedra, which is Brittany, the top-tier development ni Villar Land. So, on our left, nandyan yung bus station papunta sa BGC, papunta sa Makati. So, nakailang feature na din po tayo dyan. Even if you don't have a private car or you don't feel like using a private car, nandyan lang po ang ating bus station. Kung magdidire-diretso tayo, ang lapit na natin talaga kay SM Neo Verde Premier, pero magle-left tayo dito because I want to highlight naman kung ano na yung update dito sa Ayala Malls Nuvali Extension na yun nga, yung magiging Greenbelt of the South. So, ang laki na rin po ng development niya. As you can see on our camera, wow! As in, gawang-gawa na yung bridge. On our left, the elevated parking area. And pag kumanan tayo dyan, mas makikita natin kung gaano ka-massive itong mall na ito. Oh wow! Talagang kitang-kita mo na yung exterior, yung facade niya sa labas, oh. Talagang gawang-gawa na. So, imagine 2026, fourth quarter, third quarter, may isa sa magbubukas dito. I really can feel it and believe it kasi talagang nag-uunahan po sila eh. Kumbaga may competition po talaga between developers and yung mga nakapag-invest dito ng residential area. Sitting pretty lang tayo. Sige, gumawa lang kayo ng gumawa basta magtataas yung market value ng mga ininvest natin. On our right, nakita nyo kanina, dinadaanan natin is yung yung big box locator ng New Valley, which is nandyan si Uniqlo, nandyan si Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf. At guys, tignan nyo to. Actually, yung pa-curve na yan, that's already the SM Neo Verde. So imagine kung gaano niya kalapit sa isa't isa. At bukod sa The Medical City South Luzon, we still have Qualimed Hospital. Malapit lang din si Zadia, which performs kidney transplant na. The first ever hospital outside Metro Manila that performs kidney transplant. So ngayon, ito yung parang main artery dito. Lumiko tayo kanina, di ba? Babalik lang tayo dyan, papunta sa SM Neo Verde. So kung dinire-diretso natin kanina, hindi natin chinek yung Ayala Malls New Valley, nandyan lang po tayo kanina. So ayan, marami po talagang lusutan dito sa area. So hindi na namin puputulin dahil nag-go na rin naman yung stoplight at sobrang lapit na natin sa SM Neo Verde. Actually, they're just connected with each other and I'm just so happy kasi hindi ito yung parang sa ibang development or sa ibang lugar sa Pilipinas na ay mangyayari ito sa future, ay in 5 years time, 10 years time mangyayari ito, pero wala pa ring laman. But dito, ang bilis nila gumawa, they are really true to their promise. Look at this mall, ang massive. So ang sabi nila, which is confirmed naman na to, nasabi ko na rin, magkakaroon dito ng SMX Convention Center, Park Inn International Hotel, and inside this massive mall would be an IMAX theater, Disney store. Magkaka-Disney store tayo dito, which is the first outside Metro Manila. At marami pa pong iba na ilo-launch sila na stores na exclusive lang na makikita dito sa SM Neo Verde. And that's it. We are already here in SM Neo Verde Premier. Sobrang bilis. I think in less than a month, ganito na agad yung kanyang development. So, papakita ni Gion ngayon kung ano yung itsura ng last update development nila. If I'm not mistaken, it's just less than a month. But right now, it's only February 2 here in the Philippines. Ganito na po yung development ni SM Neo Verde. So, ina-expect natin na magiging major factor or driver ng market value talaga to in the future. Tried and tested na yan. Basta kapag nagkaroon ng SM Super Mall and not just your ordinary SM Super Mall. This is their premier mall to cater the affluent market of the area. So imagine SMX Convention Center, Park Inn International Hotel, of course, their office tower, and the exclusive stores such as Disney Store and their massive IMAX theater. Yan po yung napag-umagaan sa SMU. Now let's take a look. Ano nga ba yung itsura ng Unit Gyre? Of course, we talked about how good the location and accessibility of Zadia and why is it considered the best-selling condo in terms of its value. Kasi ang ganda talaga ng potential. Ngayon, tignan natin ano yung deliverable unit. So, meron tayong dalawa. One studio unit and one combined or one bedroom. So ngayon, mag-start tayo sa studio unit. This is their entry level. So what you see here, ito na rin po yung i-deliver sa inyo. As you can see sa tiles, nagbago po ng tiles sa Tower 4. Ito na po yung tiles natin for the Tower 4. But katulad ng mga pinapresent natin sa Tower 3, ito pa rin po yung deliverable unit. Kapag pasok nyo, as you enter the door, on this side is the kitchen area. You have the base cabinet, wala pa pong overhead cabinet. And then for this one, ganito pa rin po kalaki yung bathroom niya. So yung bathroom niya po, very spacious. I think this is one of the most spacious bathrooms that I encountered on a condo project kasi pwede talaga yung maglagay ng washing machine. So yun ang maganda, pwede kayong maglagay ng washing machine. And of course, ang maganda dito, lahat is window type air conditioner lang. Hindi ko na-appreciate dati, sabi ko, bakit hindi pwede ang AC na split type? Pero hindi mo naman kailangan talaga ng split type kapag ganito kalaki yung unit mo kahit i-combine mo pa. Window type, enough na siya, mas makakasave ka sa electricity, sa itsura, no, sa loob, walang pipe, yung walang tubo. Ganun kasi kapag split type air conditioner. Tapos, meron ka pang condenser na nakaka-pick up or use much of the space sa balcony mo. And of course, gusto rin kasi pangalagaan ni Zadia sa labas na walang kalat or walang eyesore sa labas. And yung iba, ginagawa talaga tong loft type kasi mataas din yung floor to ceiling height. So yeah, this is the deliverable unit of a studio unit, regardless if it is an inner or corner one. So ito, inner unit to, pero kapag corner, meron ka lang additional na window dito on this side. So, ipakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung itsura kapag finurnish na. So, I am presenting now my unit. So, nakita nyo, nilagyan ko na ng overhead cabinet, meron na siyang television, it's like a hotel type, pero dahil spacious, no? Si Zadia, by Greenfield City, queen size bed po ang nailagay ko sa inyo. And yung cabinet, ganito kalaking cabinet na lagyan ko and ganito na yung itsura niya. So, very homey. Nakita niyo yung table ko, parang naging bar siya. And nagkaroon pa ako ng isa pang table sa ilalim ng air conditioner as my office table. So, ang ganda po, very spacious pa rin. At the same time, hindi siya yung feeling mo na ang hirap i-layout kasi hindi siya katulad ng ibang condo na pabas or pahaba yung layout. Ito pa square, kaya spacious siya. So for studio unit computation, I will recommend you one of my, featured unit na I think this is a very good one. So nakita nyo naman sa drone natin kung gaano kaganda yung clubhouse. So I will suggest a 5th floor in unit number 6. Kung makikita nyo ngayon sa render ng map, it is in unit number 6 and the good thing about this, napakaganda dahil amenity view at hindi lang basta amenity view. Kitang-kita nyo talaga yung pool area. This is a plus, no? Lalo na kapag ipaparent nyo or plus din talaga siya kasi forever ito na yung view nyo. And having a 5th floor na unit na amenity view, ganito na kaganda yung makikita nyo. So, this is a 24.9 square meter studio unit. The total contract price is at 5,251,396.25. But all in na, included na miscellaneous fees, other charges, and other transfer of title fees. Hindi siya katulad ng iba na meron pa palang quote-unquote hidden charges. So dito, lahat na, anything na charges related to move-in fees, turnover fees, and transfer title, kasama na po lahat. I-accept nyo na lang yung unit nyo upon turnover. So, magre-reserve lang kayo this month of February at about 24,044 pesos and 38 centavos, which is already equivalent to your 1 month ng down payment ninyo. And then after that, since naka 27 month to pay ito or more than 2 years, so may monthly down payment lang kayo, kasame lang ng reservation payment from February 2026 to April 2028 of about 24,044 pesos and 38 centavos only. Or in US dollars, it's just about $414.56 if we are using a 58 peso conversion to a dollar. So, just around $415, no? Round up. Meron ka ng ganito kaganda na location at pwede mo maging rental or pwedeng hindi ka na mag-hotel in the future. Dito ka na mag-stay. So, napaka-flexible at napakadaming market in the future. So, again, 27 months to pay down payment. After 27 months, yung may iwan na balance of about 4.5 million, you can loan it through bank or pay it in cash kasi pwede kang mag-save habang binabayaran mo yung low monthly down payment and then mag-balloon payment ka in the future. Napaka-flexible po ng payment term ni Zadia. If you want discounts, pwede kang mag-lump sum sa unahan of about around 500,000 pesos or 1 million. Very significant yung mabibigay sa'yo na discount din ni Zadia. Ang maganda dito, lagi kong sinasabi, you don't have to pay a large amount of money para lang makapag-lock-in ka ng price. Mag-reserve ka lang for that amount, $415 malalock-in mo na yung price kahit the following month price increase to, hindi ka na affected. So, napaka-exciting kasi habang, alam niyo yun, lagi ko sinasabi, no, under construction pa lang yung mga major malls, yung major universities, mag-lock-in na kayo kasi mag-shoot up talaga yung price nito in the future. So, that's it. That's our studio unit. Right now, punta naman tayo sa combined or one bedroom. So, for our combined units, actually, this is our one bedroom already. 2 adjacent studio units. So kung ang standard natin is 24.9 square meters, just times 2 or double the standard floor area of a 24.9 studio unit, kaya naging 49.8 square meters siya in total. This is very big na kasi dalawang magkadikit na may hallway sa gitna. As you enter the door, L-shape na po yung i-deliver sa atin na kitchen, base cabinets, and then yung ating kitchen area. Please keep in mind, hindi po ito kasama yung overhead. Meron ng gamit if nakikita nyo para mas ma-imagine nyo kung gano'n kalaki yung unit nyo. So, this is already dressed up. Dahil dalawang magkatabing combined unit na ito, it means we have 2 balconies na rin sa deliverable unit. So, as we enter, ito yung pwede nyo gawin no, sa isang unit nyo. Pwedeng magiging free-flowing na siya. From the kitchen area to dining hanggang sa living area. Ang laki na siya. Pero kung gusto nyo nga magkaroon pa ng bed dito, pwede pa rin naman. Tara dito. So, para makita nyo kung paano siya naging combined, so, nandito na yung isang bathroom. Again, you have the option if you want to retain 2 bathrooms, kasi nga, dalawang magkatabing unit naman ito, or to maximize the area, pwedeng isang bathroom na lang yung stay nyo. For this unit, 1 bedroom talaga siya yung ginawa nila. So, nandito yung bedroom nyo, and again, nandito na rin yung balcony nyo. And at the same time, ikot tayo here, kasi Jack and Jill yung bathroom. Merong access yung bathroom dito, bukod dun sa pinakita ko kanina, and nagkaroon ka ng walk-in closet. So, who would have thought na pwedeng i-maximize at magkaroon ng walk-in closet on a condominium here in Zadia? Before we discuss the computation for this one, I would also like to highlight one of my featured combined unit here in Zadia. They are not my clients, pero naging ko na rin sila, nag-connect sila sa akin. They are watching our YouTube vlogs and feature natin yung combined unit nila. Sobrang ganda nitong combined unit na to kasi naka-elevate yung design nila, yung interior nila. As you can see, para silang nagkaroon ng mini kitchen peninsula, and then at the same time, sobrang luwag nung naging layout nila, at nakapaglagay sila ng oven, yung parang kitchen area mo sa house and lot na incorporate nila sa condo. And ang ganda rin ng touch of colors nila, very bachelor yung style, no? And then at the same time, ang prime, nakaka-premium yung tignan. And then, tignan nyo to, yung bed nila. Ang ganda rin ng bed nila. Meron din silang TV sa bedroom nila. At who would have thought, look at their comfort room or bathroom. Meron kayong dalawang lavatory sink if couple kayo or mag-partner kayo. At meron na rin silang drying and washing machine. So, napagkasya nila lahat yan. Wala silang walk-in closet kasi as you can see, in-extend nila yung bathroom nila, ang partition yan, yun na yung closet ng bedroom nila. So, ang galing lang. Very spacious para din magka-idea kayo on how beautiful a one-bedroom or combined unit in Zadia. Ang maganda naman dito, kaya nagko-combined unit yung mga ibang clients, hindi na sila nagpapatayo ng bahay. Of course, iba pa rin yung maintenance ng bahay kasi. Lalo na if you're retiree, if ayaw nyo ng may maintenance, merong nag-wear and tear, iba rin kasi talaga ang koste kapag may mga nasisirang part ng bahay. Dito, aside from it, very secure kasi parang hotel living. And of course, yun nga, less yung worry mo kasi interior mo na lang talaga yung iisipin mo. So, it's like you're living in a hotel but you own your hotel room. So for the 49.8 square meter combined unit, the total contract price including the other charges, transfer of title fees is at about 10,502,792 pesos and 50 centavos. So the reservation payment is again the same as your monthly down payment for 27 months. It's at about 48,088 pesos and 76 centavos. So kapag sa US dollars naman yan, using the 58 peso to $8 conversion, it's just about 829 and 12 centavo US dollars. So round up, 830 US dollars per month. The balance na maiiwan of about 8.6 million plus the 528,000 other charges. So it's about 9.1 million. You can loan it through bank. So again, katulad ng diniscuss ko sa studio unit, pwede kayo magpa-fix. So instead na around $800 lang. Jaire, pwede bang around $1,000 or $1,500 per month yung monthly down payment? Pwede para mas maliit yung balance na maiiwan sa dulo, and at the same time, during the course of down payment term, 0% interest. Hindi kayo iniinteresan, lahat na pupunta sa cost of the condo or sa principal amount. Kaya take that opportunity. Take that long down payment term, the 27 months to pay. And that's it for our Zadia tour and vlog. Guys, I hope na-appreciate nyo kung gaano kaganda yung location ni Zadia. Again, matitik niya lahat ng drivers. Not just one, not just two, but four major drivers for market value appreciation and its accessibility. The schools, University of Santo Tomas, University of the East, of course, the De La Salle University Laguna, the hospitals, walking distance to the medical city South Luzon, and of course, very near Qualimed Hospital, the commercial area, walking distance because Greenfield City has its own commercial area, the Paseo Outlets, Arcadia, and Laguna Central, and New Valley of Ayala Land, which is their Solena, their koi fishing area, and the last one, the accessibility going to Manila, South Luzon Expressway, Eton City exit. Yan lang po yung isa sa pinakamarami na pwedeng maging locators ni Zadia in the future. And that is how you play your game in real estate investment. Guys, lagi kong sinasabi, dito na kayo sa may nakapwesto na. Dito na kayo sa, nandito na yung mga major locators, hindi lang magkakaroon yan ng mga ganito in the future. Nandito na po yung market nyo sa Zadia. For rental, the target market, not just the university students, but of course, the Korean, Japanese, and American expats who's working at Technopark and visiting their plants here and their offices here. Nangyayari na po ngayon, marami na po talagang renter dito sa area. So, if you want to have a Zoom presentation with me, if you are abroad, pwede yan through Zoom and book a call with me or have a site viewing here. My mobile number, iMessage, Viber, and WhatsApp account, this is +63927 185 1590. Again, it's +63927 185 1590. My business email, thepropertygeekph@gmail.com. Huwag na pong kalimutan na i-share mga video natin, lalo na sa mga Pilipinong kilala natin na, naliligaw at hindi alam kung paano mag-start ng property investment, either for retirement or for rental business in the future. Please share our YouTube videos and don't forget to click like and subscribe our Facebook page, The Property Geek. You can directly message me through my personal FB account, that is Jaire Valerio Mamaklay. Maraming salamat po ulit sa pagsama and advance happy Valentine's Day po. See you soon po, and I hope katulad ko makapag-invest din kayo at ma-enjoy nyo and ma-reap nyo yung benefit dito sa Metro Santa Rosa area. This is me, Jaire Mamaklay, your property geek, always inviting you to come home and retire here in the beautiful islands, our beloved country, the Philippines.